Since its inception in 1979, TRD has developed cutting-edge race engine technology for a wide range of motorsports activities and has played a significant role in Toyota racing history. The unique in-house operation includes complete engine design, development and assembly, as well as production and development of engine component manufacturing.
TRD is Toyota's North American motorsports arm. They've been in a variety of racing series, from open wheel racing, kart, IRL, off-road racing, and other forms of racing since then. And since about 2004, we've been involved in NASCAR.
Now in its third decade of American professional auto racing, TRD's racing history includes a list of diverse and notable accomplishments, including numerous championships and victories in some of the world's most prestigious events, including winning the Indianapolis 500 in 2003. Since then, Toyota has participated in a variety of motorsports disciplines, winning races in NASCAR and NHRA, among others. As TRD began increasing their manufacturing in the late 1990s, they realized that they needed a true ERP system to help them with the process. Previously, TRD only had an inventory control system that lacked MRP, didn't allow workers to access real-time data, and didn't integrate all departments of their business.
Like night and day. I mean, when we started, there was no control. It was somebody with a spreadsheet, or a piece of paper, and his magic book. It was an individual. It wasn't something that anybody in the company can look at.
Syspro's MRP system was something that we needed as we started manufacturing in the early 2000s, an activity we weren't doing before, so we felt like that was a necessary module that was really needed.
All of our parts are lot traced. We do, a lot of our major components are serialized within Syspro. We've had that since day one. We've always had every component is lotted and tracked. Everything is accountable. Every part you see in there, they know exactly where it's at, what engine it's at, what team it went to, everything about it, they know. Everything is tracked, so if there's a failure, and it's important because if there's a failure, they need to know, is that same part in another engine? Is that gonna, if it failed, this lot failed, just like that's the whole point. We need to know where that lives, where the component like it lives, because we do, our business is about winning races, not blowing up engines. And, if we did that, we wouldn't be here right now. If we continue to do that. With the inventory control module and everything, it's all there. So the information is readily available for multiple people, so it doesn't always, hey, can you tell me? They just go in and look themselves. It's centralized. There's a place where all the data's at, so it's easy to get. Being for what I do, I manage all the data. Anytime people want to know information, it's all there, whether it's within Syspro itself or from a data something, and I go and get the data for them and be able to create a report or a sheet, just information for them so they get what they need now instead of having to ask people and word of mouth. It's accurate data.
So the way that Syspro has helped us build winning racing engines right now is with us in the engine build shop, we're able to go into Syspro, look up part numbers, serial numbers, find inventory. When a work order is created for an engine, that breaks down the BOMs, and we're able to get all of our parts out in a timely fashion, which build up this complete engine. Everything starts off from nuts and bolts all the way up to the main product here, and keeps us out on the winning track.
I think what's impressive about Syspro is the pace of change, constantly looking to improve the product. Syspro 6, Syspro 7, I think that they do a good job listening to customers, so I think that we've had a good relationship with Syspro.